कैसे लोग थे, चाहते क्या थे, क्यों वो यहाँ से चले गए। गूंग घरों से मत कुछ पूछो, शहर का नक्शा देखो तुम। I'm Baaraan Ijlal. I am an artist, a listener, a witness, and an archivist. I surely didn't know what I wanted to be. I just wanted to read stories. Like painting was always a part of, too much a part of me. Sound plays such an important role in my work and my life. I do a lot of field recordings. That is a part of the process of creating a work. Being at a space aside and just looking at or recording the absence and presence of certain sounds. The absence of certain sounds in certain places and the presence of certain other sounds. I ask myself, can I see more if I listen to places carefully? Can I break free from my language and really listen to what a place is saying? It records everything all at once, except the sound of a beating heart. I think every other sound of a place, even silence, gets recorded. With hostile witness, the one question that I kind of set out, looking answers for was, is conflict inherent in the plan of the city? Started looking at the fragility of the city, how a city would remember its people. Erasures are something really real for women, which is why the need to archive and the urgent need to tell my story before it is erased, and also open that space for anyone who identifies as a woman to come and share that space and to tell their own stories.